Welcome to Richword Writing Training Course, Speaking and Writing, developed in October 2025 by Shirley Chen. We are at Lesson 7.11. Read the sentence in blue 3 times. You may read by yourself, or you may read together with me. He taught me to write letters in a plain and ornamental style. He taught me to write letters in a plain and ornamental style. He taught me to write letters in a plain and ornamental style. Now answer the question. Who taught me to write letters in a plain and ornamental style? You may pause and answer and then compare your answer with my answer. The philosopher Rusticus. Rusticus taught me to write letters in a plain and ornamental style. Did he teach me to write letters in a fancy style? No, he did not teach me to write letters in a fancy style. He taught me to write letters in a plain and ornamental style. 5 seconds for you to check your answer. Of the 2 gardens, which is ornamental and contains colorful, fancy flowers? Ornamental means containing colorful, fancy decorations. Of course, the second one. The second garden is ornamental and contains colorful, fancy flowers. Of the 2 gardens, which is plain and unornamental? The first one, the one on the left, is plain and unornamental. Did the writer Marcus write letters in an ornamental style? No. The writer Marcus did not write letters in an ornamental style. He wrote letters in a plain, unornamental style. How did Marcus write letters? Marcus wrote letters in a plain, unornamental style. Why did Marcus write letters in a plain, unornamental style? Because Rusticus taught him to write letters in a plain, unornamental style. Did Rusticus write a letter to Marcus's mother? Yes. Before you go on, you may read the sentence in blue 3 times. Or you may read after me. Like that, dated by him, from Sinuessa to my mother. Like that, dated by him, from Sinuessa to my mother. Like that, dated by him, from Sinuessa to my mother. Now, go on with the question. Did Rusticus write a letter to Marcus's mother? Yes, Rusticus wrote a letter to Marcus's mother. Was the letter from Sinuessa dated by Rusticus? Yes, the letter from Sinuessa was dated by Rusticus. Rusticus wrote the letter and wrote the date on the letter, so the letter was dated by Rusticus. Did Rusticus expect me to write letters like the letter dated by him from Sinuessa to my mother? Yes, Rusticus expected me to write letters like the letter dated by him from Sinuessa to my mother. How did Rusticus teach me to write letters? Rusticus taught me to write letters in a plain, unornamental style. Like that dated by him from Sinuessa to my mother. How did Marcus write letters? Marcus wrote letters in a plain, unornamental style, like that dated by Rusticus from Sinuessa to my mother. Rusticus wrote a letter to Marcus's mother, and he expected Marcus to write letters like that. So Marcus wrote letters in a plain and ornamental style. What did Rusticus teach Marcus to do? He taught Marcus to write letters in a plain and ornamental style, like that dated by him from Sinuessa to Marcus's mother. This will be the end of lesson 7.11. You may continue with lesson 7.12.